Tiger means cheetah. Lion means शेर. Wolf means भेड़िया. Camel means ऊंट. Bear means भालू. Cow means गाय. Monkey means बंदर. Donkey means गधा. Crocodile means मगरमच्छ. Cat means बिल्ली. Dog means कुत्ता. Rabbit means खरगोश. Frog means मेंढक. Pig means खिंजीर. Kangaroo means kangaroo. Gorilla means बनमानस. Panda means panda. Squirrel means गुलहरी. Bull means बेल. Horse means घोड़ा. Elephant means हाथी. Zebra means zebra. Goat means बकरी. Yak means yak. Mouse means चूहा. Sit का मतलब होता है बैठना. Sit. Stand means खड़ा होना. Jump means छलांग लगाना. Eat means खाना. Drink means पीना. Sleep means सोना. Read means पढ़ना. Write means लिखना. Sing means गाना. Dance means नाचना. Talk का मतलब होता है बात करना. Wash means धोना. Fall means गिरना. Cry means रोना. Laugh means हंसना. laugh हंसना. Yaw means जमाई लेना. yaw जमाई लेना. Cook means पकाना. cook पकाना. Drive means गाड़ी चलाना. drive गाड़ी चलाना. Teach means पढ़ाना. teach पढ़ाना. Play means खेलना. play खेलना. Run means भागना. run भागना. Listen means सुनना. listen सुनना. Give means देना. give देना. Take means लेना. take लेना. Swim means तैरना. swim तैरना. Walk means चलना. walk चलना. Look means देखना. look देखना. Sneeze means छींकना. sneeze छींकना. Help means मदद करना. help मदद करना. Hurt means चोट पहुंचाना. hurt चोट पहुंचाना. Ride means सवारी करना. ride सवारी करना. Push means धकेलना. push धकेलना. Pull means खींचना. pull खींचना. Buy means खरीदना. buy खरीदना. Sell means बेचना. sell बेचना. Fight means लड़ना. fight लड़ना. Win means जीतना. win जीतना. Travel means सफर करना. travel सफर करना. Clean means साफ करना. clean साफ करना. Open means खोलना. open खोलना. Close means बंद करना. close बंद करना. Watch means देखना. watch means देखना. Think means सोचना. think सोचना. Hello students, today we are learning about the family relatives. So let's start the video. Mother. Father. Parents. Baby. Brother. Sister. Siblings. Daughter. Son. Progeny. Grandmother. Grandfather. Nephew. Niece. niece, cousins, cousins, husband, husband, wife, wife, aunt, aunt, uncle, uncle, fiancé, fiancé, stepmother, stepmother, kin mother, kin mother, mother-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, father-in-law, daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law, son-in-law, son-in-law, brother-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, sister-in-law, in-laws, in-laws, friends, friends, enemy, enemy, maternal, maternal, paternal, paternal, maternal grandmother, maternal grandmother, maternal grandfather, maternal grandfather, adopted son, adopted son, granddaughter, granddaughter, grandson, grandson, maternal uncle, maternal uncle, father's sister, father's sister, married, married, unmarried, unmarried, relatives, relatives. Hello dear students, today we are learning about 100 plus animals name with their pictures. So let's start the video. Lion, leopards, tiger, jaguar, cheetah, hyena, puma, fox, wolf, maned wolf, black panther, snow leopard, armadillo, aardvark, panda, rhinoceros, ape, hamster, beaver, coati, boar, capybara, deer, reindeer, springbok, ibex, fennec fox, coyote, oryx, lychee, echidnas, hedgehog, otter, giant otter, Komodo dragon, koala, honey badger, giant anteater, kangaroo, hippopotamus, great bilby, loris, klipspring, lemur, mandrill, lynx, marmot, skunk, marten, mongoose, okapi, nombat, muskox, pangolin, opossum, serval, raccoon, raccoon dog, Patagonian mara, dog, porcupine, wombat, red panda, red river hog, sloth, warthog, tapir, sifaka, Tasmanian devil, vicuna, bear, polar bear, Arctic fox, Arctic wolf, lizard, basilisk lizard, bat, flying fox, elephant, giraffe, gorilla, dinosaur, monkey, chimpanzee, chameleon, iguana, hare, rabbit, crocodile, water dragon, mouse, rat, toad, frog, walrus, pig, mole, leech, eagle, spider, wild dog, zebra, centipede, millipede, scorpion, skink, snail, snake, Nile monitor, अलिफ से अंगूर, अलिफ मदा से आम, बे से बत्तख, पे से पेंसिल, ते से तरबूज, टे से टमाटर, से समर, जीम से जामन, चे से चूहा, हे से हलवाई, खे से खैमा, दाल से धोबी, डाल से डमरू, जाल से जखीरा, रे से रिक्शा, रे से पहाड़, जे से जेब्रा, जे से जालाबारी, सीन से सांप, शीन से शेर, स्वाद से संदूक, ज्वाद से ज़ईफ, तोए से तोता, जोए से ज़रूफ, आइन से औरत, गाइन से गुब्बारा, फे से फानूस, काफ से कुरान पाक, काफ से केला, गाफ से गाय, लाम से लीमू, मीम से मोर, नून से नारियल, वाव से वैगन, हे से हाथी, हमजा से चाय, ये से यक्का, ये से या रसूल अल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। A for apple, B for banana, C for cat, D for dinosaur, E for elephant, F for fox, G for giraffe, H for hippo, I for ice cream, J for jellyfish, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for all, P for penguin, Q for quail, R for rabbit, S for sheep, T for turtle, U for unicorn, V for vampire, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zebra, A for apple, B for ball, C for cake, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for giraffe, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jacket, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rat, S for sparrow, T for tomato, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yacht, Z for zebra.